Okay, the glue is dry and it's time to trim the tenons. All right, time for the fun part. It's all sanded, ready to go. I've got a 3-part oil varnish blend here, varnish or polyurethane, mineral spirits, and tung oil, even parts of each. It's been about 15-20 minutes. This is getting a little bit tacky. So we'll wipe it off. Okay, well that, I think, does it for this project, let's get rid of this paper. So I'll put a few more coats on this, but it's not really going to look any different. So this was definitely a challenge. If you want a challenging project but rewarding, I mean, I just love that stretcher. I think that is so cool. And it's definitely doable, but I wouldn't, don't do this as your first hand tool project, that's for sure. A lot of challenges in layout and cutting joinery. I was thinking about how you might do this. Yeah, how you might do this if you were not using hand tools. You could certainly use a hollow chisel mortiser to cut the joinery, as long as you could, tilt the part to make those cuts. Yeah, doing it by hand is definitely a bit of a challenge. I think even if with machine tools, you still have a tough time cutting the tenons on these stretchers. Everything else would be fairly straightforward. But because these are at that weird angle, you'd have a little bit of a challenge cutting those. You could use, I guess, a tenon jig, a tilting tennis jig. That would work. But sometimes those, by the time you get that all set up, might be easier to just do it by hand. So I'll conclude with a couple of detail shots, but I think that does it for the Dragon Stool.